Hey, welcome back to my channel. Auxbeam 8-gang switch panel. Auxbeam 8-gang switch offers a perfect solution to clean up all wiring harness and add a single panel to control everything. This switch pod with 8 circuits can power all types of 12V, 24V accessories, max power rating, 1200 W. Max current rating, 60A, operating temperature, -40, C plus 105 C. Automatic dimmable system, upgraded 8-gang switch panel have automatic dimmable feature. When it in the tunnel or dark palsies, will be dimmed to reduce the impact on the driver's vision. When it on the road or bright places, will be brighter to make driver control it easier. Compared with ordinary switch panel, ours will improve your off-road and night driving experience. Easy installation and safety design, keep various wires organized and dry in such a compact control box. Come with wear-resistant and plug-and-play wiring harness, fuse, relay and temperature protection switch. 2 kinds of mounting ways for you to choose. You can install it with our mounting bracket or double-sided adhesive tape and anywhere, no need to cut a big hole on your vehicle. Wide applications, 100% efforts has been devoted to help drivers save time, save money and safe driving. It was designed for use in any vehicle, allowing you to add professional control for your electronic devices in an easy-to-install system. For example, installed in trucks, pickup, UTVs, RZRs, car, boats. Package include 1X switch control box, 1X switch panel, 2X mounting brackets, 1X strap, 1X wiring harness, 1X voltage protection switch, 1X 50 PCS DIY stickers and 1X upgraded installation instruction. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. We will provide you with perfect after-sales service. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.